I'm Eric from Vern Eide Honda, and these are the top 5 most frequently asked questions about the CR-V. Number 1 is how reliable it is. Most CR-Vs are extremely reliable, with many of them getting up into the 200,000 miles, with some getting up to 400,000 miles. Number 2 most frequently asked question is maintenance costs. The CR-V can cost anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 over the course of 5 years for maintenance. After that, the third most frequently asked question is it a 4-cylinder engine or a 6-cylinder engine? The CR-Vs are in fact a 4-cylinder engine, with the non-hybrid CR-Vs being a turbocharged engine. After that is the fuel range. How fuel efficient are they? The regular gas engine can get a 28 mile to the gallon in city limit with a 34 max for the highway, whereas the hybrid can be a 40 mile to the gallon in city and a 34 mile to the gallon on the highway. And the fifth most frequently asked question is, what are the best years to buy for a used vehicle? We recommend anything that is a modern CR-V, so anything in the last 5 years, just because they do have the most advanced safety features as well as the best fuel usage.